Hello, everyone. My apologize that I was saying live at 1, but now it's like 13 minutes because the fact it did connect with the internet and I have no idea why. But finally I am here. I am here to talk to you about how to avoid complaint customer. I just talked with one of student and she just said to me, she said, oh my God, I feel very upset about my client that yesterday I did her hair, but today she said the color is not what she wants. And she said to me that, you know, she did not tell me that she got box dye on her hair. So when I actually did her hair halfway and I found out that her hair had box dye on it. Guys, I am live on both Facebook and Instagram. Sometimes I look here. I see someone jumping in. Hi, how are you? Comment below and say hi to me. And if you have anyone that have benefit about it, just share for me. It would be amazing. Give me a love heart. Okay, thank you. So she shared with me that she's so upset about that, and I say to her that she's like, I'm very upset because I do that halfway for her, and then I found that she got box dye on it, and she got box dye on it. She did not tell me in the beginning, and then she said when I doing that, and the end of result, the client this morning sent me a message say she wasn't happy with her hair, and she's like, I did explain to her about blah blah blah. So here's my point that you are the hairstylist, and sometimes most of the time I hear that when actually client complain or say something they not happy about their hair, most of the time you all think about that client faults. Maybe you think that client that is not happy or want money back or whatever. But in my opinion is when the client complain about their hair they're not happy about, is 50% is my fault. Why I'm saying that? Because first of all, my fault because this has happened to me before. I was working like rushing. I did not go through with the consultation, deep consultation to understand clearly the client, what actually they want, what actually they did not like in the past, what actually the bad experience in the past. I did not, because I rushed, I did not spend enough time to talk in through consultation to ask them clearly what actually their hair goes, what actually they like and they don't like now, but they did not like in the past as well. What is the bad experience before? So the first, that what I feel that because I did not go through with that, most of the time when I do in a rush and I did not go through, most of the time I tell you I have a lot of complaint customer in the past. I did change. I make a change, and after I got a lot of complaint customer, and I ask myself question, and I like you right now, I just think, well, the client not happy because they just want money back, they just not happy because I do my best, well, whatever, and some, for me, I did say in the past, I say, oh, because I tell you with this hair, I do for you in 3-4 visit, not one, but it is the client when actually they come to the salon. Here's what I learned. Here's what I learned and here's what I changed. So if you watch this, you can make a change like this. The first of all, when actually, if you want to avoid complaint customer from now and future. So what you need to do, number one, make sure you do long consultation and go deep. Go deep consultation to ask their 3 important questions. Okay, number one, that you ask what actually their hair goes, right? Number 2, what actually they don't like the result it turned out. That's number 2 question. Number 3, what is your bad experience before? Sometimes you ask your hair right now, they don't know. Or if you ask the what was the bad experience in the past. They will tell you, oh my God, this client tell me, oh, I did that, the hairstylist did that, I did not like it, blah, blah, blah. They tell me everything. So when they tell me what they don't like, they dislike before, I avoid. All right, that's very important. Ask that 3 questions. So number 2 thing that very important, set the right expectation. How do you set right expectation? The first important thing that you need to ask the client that their hair history. All right, hair history. As you just heard the story that my student say, she did not tell me her hair, she did box dye. It's not about the client telling you. You are the person help them with their hair. You need to ask, what is your hair history? You need to ask first, and then in that question you ask 2 things. For my opinion, I ask them what actually their hair history. Sometimes they tell me, number 1, they say, okay, I did box dye, I did bleach on my hair, I did heat a lot on my hair, whatever they say. And then I will know exactly that, okay, if they have box dye, I will tell them straight away, if you have box dye in the past, your hair will not light at the level you want. But after I'm saying that, I will show them the picture. I say, okay, because you have box dye, I'm going to show you this picture. The color, it will turn like this. Show them the picture, not just assume they know about that. They don't know. Because the client, when they came to us, they want 2 things they want from us. They want to get the good hair, but sometimes they want us recommend them what actually the best for them. They don't know the box dye is hard to turn out. They just think, oh, I want that color, I just want that. So that's why it's very important as hairstylist, if you really want to deeply understand client and avoid complaint customer, that 2 things I say, you have to ask the hair history. All right, ask the hair history, and when they say the hair history, then you would tell them, here's hair history here, with your hair like this, I would do like this, and show them the picture. Right, make very clear expectation. When you make very clear expectation for them already, then they will understand about that. They will not complain because you show them the picture. Right? You show them the picture, it's very clear for them. So that's why it makes them feel that's safe. It makes them feel that they're trusting on you because you tell them the truth and what it can be turned out. So that's why it's so important. By the way, I just want to tell you that I would like to tell you that I have the 4-day challenge coming up, 4-day masterclass, where I share with you deep in the consultation and conversation that what actually you are going to talk to client and how you are going to make them feel more happy and trust on you more. But in that 4-day challenge, I will go deep in. If you are the hairstylist and salon owner and you want to create the business at high profits, but also you build clientele and build with the high ticket client in your salon, in your business, I will go through with you 4 days. I go deep in how to create content, how to get new client into the door, what kind of business that the model that instead of you are just low ticket but you just high ticket, but the secret when you actually just high ticket, what actually make the client happy to pay you but they don't feel that you charge too much. So what are the secret? So but also I will share with you again the conversation and consultation. So I will share with you all of that. If you want to join that, click to the bio and save your seat so you can register there. You can get inside, and next week it will be on Monday. All right. So click to the bio and wrap your spot in there. All right, so that's why I say that, just recap for you. Actually, if you want to avoid complaint customer, number one thing that go deep consultation with the client to understand what they go, what they like and dislike. Number two, that set the clear expectation by ask them what actually their hair history, and then if they tell you hair history, then you have to tell them, okay, I can do this for you, it's like this, but you make sure you show them the picture to make very clear, not assume that they will know, just show them picture. The picture is 1,000 words, so that's why it's so important. All right, so that is for today. I will share with you. If you want to learn more about to grow your business, to build amazing team, to get like the team that, to training and build a team for your business, build a, I could say that talent team for your business. Click to the bio that join my 4-day challenge next week. So you will learn deep in a lot of part in there, and then you can take the action and improve a little bit by a little bit for your business. This challenge that I guarantee with you, you never see that before. I just say to you very confident with you that if you join it, you will take away, you will learn a lot of things and you improve it for your business. It is amazing. All right. So I hopefully that the quick live stream today is help you some point and the opportunity for you to rock your sport and join my challenge. All right. Have a great day and bye for now, everyone.